waiving of your bill. Do not use this waive of bill all the time. Use this waive of bill only when it is required. When you will get a warning message saying that we are going to discontinue your account within these days. Before that 1 week, you just text them of something saying that I'll show the steps. So you have to do some settings, and then don't stop the share. Don't stop sharing.
Okay.
I'll do in your system only. Before that, you have to just mail them up. For that, go to support, right hand side support. Support center. This will only will do when you will get a mail, not now. Usha, you have not received any mail, correct?
No, sir, I didn't receive.
If you receive mail, that time only will do this one.
Okay.
So how to do? I'll just show the last. Don't do finish. Okay. Create case. Account and billing support. Scroll down. Here, type you go. This is billing. No, free tire. Type is free tire.
Type free tire.
Categories. Why I was billed. Scroll down. Here, subject. You have to write down here waive of my bill. This is what you should do. Now next, come down. In details is there, no details. Here you have to write a mail saying that I'm just giving you an option what to do. Dear sir / madam, I am using this account for a year as I am a student and practicing AWS. As I was not knowing about the charges, please waive off my bill. Simple. Okay? Just you have to say that you are a student. Then scroll down. Here in phone you have to click. Don't do submit. Here you have to give your Indian state, give India number. No, in here first, India. Then don't do submit. Once you do submit, it will be substituted case, and then they will give you a call. They will mail you up, and they will waive off the bill. They might call you saying they will just try to verify that whatever you have written is good or not. You tell I am a student. I am learning AWS, so I was not knowing it. Just deny it that you know anything of that.
Once we receive the mail, I should do all these steps.
Once you receive the mail, they will give you a call. Just remember you are a student and you are working on it. Don't say I was practicing DevOps, this and this. As it is free tire, I was not knowing about this thing. So these things you can do for in a year 3 times. Third time will be last warning. So after that you cannot do. Clear? Everybody got my point?
Yes, sir.
How many people are there in our group? Why only 5 of you people did not join? Do anybody know about this guy who is Solo Manu from 88612? Oh, Vinay, what about your Bharat?
So Bharat, then
Your voice is breaking.
hello, sir. Bharat and Saya are still in the natives. They didn't come here.
So call him and tell it is starting. What about this other guy was there now with you? What is his name? Revant something.
Sai.
Sai is there na, Sai Kumar?
Yes, sir. Sai and Bharat didn't come, sir. They are native, both are.
Okay. So if you know anybody in this group who have number, call them up, say that if this batch starts, they have to join this batch only, because upcoming days there is no batch running for next 2 months.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so fine. Okay, I'll share my screen now. I need you people to practice something. Okay.
Sir, you're in Bangalore or went to native?
I am in my native.
Okay.
Medical situation is there, so I have to come. I was saying that suddenly I have to go. So suddenly I have left Bangalore. So I'll be back after 2 or 3 months only. So
Until that DevOps is online only, sir.
yes, DevOps is entirely online. There is nothing to be done offline there.
Okay, sir.
And remember one thing: if you think of doing offline also, there's no one there. I am the only one. Okay, fine. I think you can see my screen, correct? Yep. So there are certain things you have to just create an account. Sandhya, your account created? Prenam?
AWS account, sir.
No, Prenam. You're getting some error now.
That
No, not
freenom.com.
you, Nirmal.
No, sir.
For me
Still
also it getting error, sir.
same error. For her also it's same error.
But this is something new I have seen in Freenom. Okay.
It is not signing. I tried in Google account also. I tried to log in with Facebook also. Getting same error what I showed you.
Okay, I will sign in with my different account. Let's say I have never signed in. Sign in. Let's check. You can see my screen, correct?
Yes, sir.
I will give something. Official mail ID. I have not used this one. Let's check. Okay.
Same error.
Same error came, no?
Yeah.
Social signing. Okay. Let's see. Use another account. Next. Okay.
Same error.
Social login cannot be
For
determined.
me also, sir. I tried with another account creating that also. For me also getting like this only.
Let me check, because I was doing this one I'm doing first time also. Let me check once. Do I got any mail or something? Email. Okay, that means they have done some changes. Is there any other website you got for this?
No.
Usha,
No,
how
sir.
you
No,
doing
sir.
Sir, I have done, sir.
Your account is created, correct?
Yes, sir. Created. Sir.
Same way only, correct?
Yes, sir. Same way.
Now what I will say, Nirmal, see. You have to find it out any other way that you can solve this issue. And I will also try why it is not happening.
We can try with another mail account, sir.
I thought
Or we have to try with our only.
I tried with the different browsers also. Brave, Mozilla, everything it's same issue.
same issue, no?
Yeah.
Okay. What if with different mail IDs? It
I
is the
have two
same.
mail IDs. Both the mail IDs I tried, sir. It's same. It's not getting logging, and this social error only it's showing me. Your social login cannot be determined. Even though with Facebook also I tried, it's showing the same error.
So Facebook you shouldn't do also. That is not legal. Okay. Hmm. Okay, fine. I'll check this one. I'll check today. What is the problem? Okay. Now, there are certain things you have to create an account. First account should be created here. Why? I will tell you. Just you have to go in this. What you can see here, github.com, correct? Open this. You will get this page. I'm saying again and again, whoever will see this video, they have to prepare two accounts. This is also free account. GitHub, sign up. And there you have to follow the process and you have to create an account. Like already I have an account, I'll show my one. I have got an authentication mail. Verification code 41511. This is how your account should be looked. Okay, this is one thing you have to do. Clear? github.com. Next, I want you people to create an account here. Docker. Just click on Docker. First go to Google only, not in Bing. Google.com. Simple, write down here Docker. You'll get this. Here also you have to sign in. Click on sign in. You have to click on sign up here and then you will check. I think create it once. So click on sign up. Docker ID I will give as this. Uh, Pay station crossing. Oh God. This thing is very irritating. Select all square with vehicles. This email ID is already taken. I know that one.
So Docker is that storage, right? Taking all the backup.
Yes. All image base will be there.
Okay.
Yes. So I'll just sign in. Already I have an account. I don't want to get multiple accounts. So this is what I'm doing it. People has to create these two things and be ready for whenever your class will start. So this is only two things you need, and more one thing you need your AWS account to be ready. So you remember, you should have your AWS account. So that already you have, no need to worry. So these two accounts you create and keep. These are free. These are free accounts. So just go and create. Now. Sandhya, Usha, clear what I'm doing? Whatever I have said.
Yes.
Yes.
Vinay?
Yes.
So you have to be like this. It will be blank in your side. Just remember you have to create these two accounts. Nothing more to do. In DevOps, these two accounts is compulsory. And I think while doing that explanation in my class, I have explained why we need this. Yes or no? While giving a DevOps demo. I think you remember this integration page also. I think I have not kept that one. Just a second. Remember this page? This is for graphically. You have to learn first what code, how to push a code, a Linux command. You go to GitHub, then you this, then this. After that, one part more we have here, Docker. Okay, so for that I need. Fine. So today I will not start. Today I will text in the group, as first class was only giving you basic information. Now for starting your AWS, remember you need only some knowledge. Knowledge in the sense you should have a good knowledge of AWS. That already we have finished. You should have Linux command. So tomorrow I will start with Linux again. Whatever topics, just a refresh I will give. Then you should know shell script. After that we'll start our main DevOps class. So first 2 weeks will be all about your basic things. Okay, fine. So we'll just recall our Linux command and shell scripting, and then we'll start with GitHub. Clear? And tomorrow we'll see how many people are joining. And from tomorrow our main class will start. Even 3 people also join, I will start the class. And Vinay, you please inform your friends who have DevOps. If they are not joining from tomorrow, there will be no classes repeated. Okay? Your DevOps class will be from Monday to Friday only. Saturday class will come when I will start with Jenkins, not now.
Thumbs up.
He's so why thumbs up people only. But you will never bring thumbs up to office. Fine. Chalo. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow 12, 10, 12, 15 will start.
Okay.